What do you got? Is that your flamingo? Hi.
I don't want you in the house. No, you're gonna come in here and you're gonna pee on everything. Oh my gosh.
Foxes in the wild will sometimes try to lay out their dominance, but usually they'll let you pet them like this.
Can I give you a boop? Boop. Good boy. Aww. So happy.
Why are you biting me? Ah, man. You're in a mood today. You never snuggle me. Marsha! Oh my goodness, hi! Oh my gosh, I missed you too!